Hello and welcome to Total Network Inventory Tutorials and Examples. In this video, we will learn about TNI Scheduler module, schedule tasks, and what they can be. This functionality has been specially created for the convenience of handling daily tasks, configuring and automating all the main TNI processes. Creating scheduled tasks allows you to manage your daily routine in a flexible and efficient way, eliminating the loss of valuable time while waiting for the execution of a particular process. The created tasks will be completed at any time of the day and will not require your presence, except when setting them up or making changes. Note that the scheduler can only work when the app is running. In the main scheduler window, you can use the link to quickly add any task, or use the corresponding button on the main area panel if the tasks have already been created. In the list provided, we can see that there is a variety of tasks available to perform. However, the common thing that applies to all of them is the schedule. The task schedule will allow you to configure the required actions to be performed at any time. From the available functionality, we can see that the task can be assigned to daily, one-time, and weekly execution, indicating the required days and execution time, or you can specify certain days on a monthly basis, getting maximum flexibility in setting the task schedule. In addition to general time settings, you can also set additional options that are available in each task type. These options expand the functionality of the available tasks, allowing you to carry out the necessary work automatically, not only at a strictly specified time, but also under certain conditions. For example, if you need the task to be performed again after 1 hour or immediately, when the repository is opened. Here you can see that these options contain advanced settings, and they're individual for each type of task. For example, when creating a scan task using these settings, we can specify both the entire network tree for rescanning and only the required groups. It should be noted that the current advanced settings are individual for each task type, and they're not common for all tasks of the scheduler. Of course, this will require additional time when creating a task, but will give the best results when it's completed. For example, in the data import task, you can configure operation with subfolders and their cleaning. You can specify the file name format in the backup task. And in the task of scheduled tabular reports and reports on changes, you can fine-tune the data filling and report export format. The TNI scheduler greatly simplifies the software interaction process and helps avoid routine tasks and long waiting for results. In this regard, the ability to send data in the most convenient way for you has been added to the program. For example, if you want to receive reports to your email, you just need to set up the corresponding task and specify the desired data transfer method. To create and configure the required data transfer method, go to the corresponding section on the sidebar of the program. Add a new method and select the required protocol. Then apply any necessary settings and save them. It is important to note that if no data transfer method is selected or assigned when creating a reporting task, then these reports will be placed in the default folder for scheduled reports. You can also access this directory using the corresponding button next to the search field in the Task Scheduler tab. Now let us return to the scheduler and add other types of tasks as an example. After creation, in the current list, you can see all previously created tasks and their execution time. When you hover over a task using special buttons, you can run it manually without waiting for the specified schedule, view its events, or delete it. These and other task management features can also be accessed through the context menu. If you need to suspend the operation of any created task, then using the corresponding option, you can manually disable its scheduled start. In addition to creating tasks from the main scheduler window, you can easily add tasks from other modes of the program. The created task will fully correspond to the open mode you're in at the moment. If you're interested in a complete description of all the options of the task scheduler, then you can always find this information in our manual. Thanks for watching.